This video will show you how to program an ATV212 with a fault reset functionality to a logic input. Now, keep in mind that on these drives you have three logic inputs, technically. You have the F terminal, you have the RES terminal, and you also have the R terminal, is labeled here. Now, keep in mind that the RES terminal is already programmed from the factory on the 212 drives as a fault reset already. But let's assume that you want to use the RES for a different function, and you want to go ahead and use the terminal R as a fault reset instead. To do this, you'll have to go into your extended menu, which is labeled as F dash dash dash. So to get there, from your main screen, you press mode. Once you see AUF, you arrow down to F as in Frank, dash dash dash. You press enter here. Now the logic input assignments are numbered 111 through 13. So F111 is the F terminal, F112 is the R, and F113 is the RES. As I mentioned before, the RES terminal is already programmed as a value of 10, which is a fault reset. So let's assume we want to go ahead and disable this one here and set the R terminal, which is F112, to the fault reset instead. So you can enter on the logic you would like, set it to 10, and now you have programmed the R terminal, which is F112, as a fault reset. Now keep in mind that these logics, you can program them to be a number of things, and I would recommend that you look at the logic input assignment list in your ATV212 programming manual to see the full 73 different options you can program these logic inputs to if you want to confirm what you're doing here. Also keep in mind that not every single fault can be reset like this. There are some severe faults, like a short circuit fault, that it will not just allow to reset it, and some faults also require to power cycle the drive, meaning you have to make sure you kill power to it, and you wait till the display is blank, and then you power it back up, and see if the fault has gone away. So the last thing is, of course, the actual fault condition, whatever that may be, if it can be reset with a logic, that actual fault condition has to go away. And if you want to look into a more detailed list in terms of what is considered a resettable fault and what is not considered a resettable fault, again, these are all available in your ATV212 manual, which is available online. And I would look at the back of the manual, which has the fault history list, the faults list in general, and it will notify you which ones in a list format of what is resettable and what is not with this particular function. And this is how you program an ATV212 with a fault reset functionality.